Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a 3D model from the existing to D drawing with the help of FreeCAD part design tools like Revolution, Additive Helix, Polar Pattern, and Groove. Today, we convert this to D drawing step by step into this 3D solid part. There are several ways or steps to create this 3D solid part. Here you find the steps and the tools that I used to finalize this exercise. Click simply this button to start the FreeCAD workspace. As you see, the body is inserted automatically. This is the exercise for today. In step 1, we sketch the middle section, which is defined as position 1, and create a solid part with the help of the Revolution tool. Activate the Sketch tool and select the XZ plane. First, we create roughly the shape of the profile with the polyline tool, and we will constrain and dimension it later. Now, we create the curves with a radius of 20 millimeters, 35 millimeters, and 120 millimeters. Press the letter M more times till you see the proper curve. Delete this vertical constraint. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Now select the sketch and activate the revolution tool and then select the rotation axis. Don't forget to like and share the video. In step 2, we sketch the profile to and create a solid part with the help of the Helix tool. Create a plane 5 mm above the origin. Now, sketch Profile 2 on this plane. Activate the View Section tool to see the sketch plane. Sketch 2 circles with a radius of 7.5 and 35 mm. Create rectangular profile with a width of 1.5 mm. Now, remove unnecessary edges and curves with the Trim tool. Assign the dimensions. Click Close to exit the fully constrained sketch. Now select the sketch and activate the Additive Helix tool and then select the rotation axis. Select the option Pitch Height, Angle, and then set the parameters. Set the height to 65 mm. Select the Additive Helix and activate the Polar Pattern tool. Select the axis in which the feature be transformed. Change the number of occurrences to 15. In the last step, we remove material from the created part with the help of Groove tool. Activate the Sketch tool and select again the XZ plane. Choose this tool to extract the reference edges. Create roughly the shape of the profile and put the dimensions later. Now, assign the dimensions according to the drawing. Now select the sketch and activate the Groove tool and then select the rotation axis. As you see, the solid part is finalized. That is for today. Please follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.